Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix Windows Firewall as block some features of this program. If you see this issue, try these easy methods to fix it. First method, allow the program through Windows Firewall. When the pop-up appears, click Allow Access if you trust the program. If you miss the prompt, just open these settings by pressing Win+I, Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Click Firewall and Network Protection. Allow an app through Firewall. Find the program on the list, then check Private or Public, and then click OK. Last method, disable Firewall temporarily for troubleshooting only. Press Win+R, then type the codes link in the description below, and hit Enter. Click Domain Network. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off on the left panel. Choose Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended, for both private and public networks. Test if the program runs without the pop-up. Re-enable the firewall after testing. After these steps, the program should work without being blocked. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.